Welcome to Sri GM Londa Primary School. Today we will study Grammar Chapter 20 Subject Verb Agreement. Now, before starting the chapter, first of all, let us know what is a subject. Subject means the doer of the action. Example, Ravi plays cricket. So, who is doing the work of playing? Ravi. So, Ravi will be your subject. Now, what is a verb? Doing action is called a verb. Example, Ravi plays cricket. What work Ravi is doing? Playing. So, that will be your verb. Now, let's know the basic rule of subject verb agreement. So, in this chapter, we have to learn that your subject and your verb should agree with each other. Singular subjects must have singular verbs. Plural subjects take plural verbs. Rules on subject verb agreement. Now let's know rule number 1. The pronoun you always takes a plural verb. Means when your subject is you have to always use the plural form of the verb. Example, you were invited to come. If a sentence begins with here or there, the verb agrees with the subject which follows it. Means if your sentence is beginning with here or there, you have to see the subject which it follows. So here the vase is your subject, that is plural. So you have to take the plural form of the verb, that is are. Here are the ways on how to preserve meat. If two subjects, one single and one plural, are connected by either or neither nor, the verb agrees with the nearer subject. Example, neither the players nor the coach is joining. So children, here two subjects are given, the players and the coach, and they are joined by neither or nor. But you have to see the nearer subject. The nearer subject to the blank is the coach, and that is singular. So here you have to use singular form of the verb, that is. A singular subject followed by intervening words or phrases such as with, as well as, in addition to, accompanied by, together with, and no less than takes a singular verb. Example, Jack, accompanied by his sisters, is enrolling in PCC. Now, Jack is your subject, and this is a phrase that is telling you something about the Jake. So, that is a extra thing. So, here you have to follow the subject Jack, and Jack is only the name of one single boy. So, that is, you have to follow the singular form of the verb, that is. Singular subjects joined by and require a plural verb except when they mean one thing. Example, Larry and Mercy are reading novels. So Larry and Mercy are two different people and they are joined by conjunction and. So here you have to use plural form of the verb. Two singular subjects joined by either or neither nor take a singular verb. Either mommy or daddy means we are taking two subjects and they are joined by or. So that time we have to always take a singular verb form. If a singular subject is followed by a phrase containing a plural noun, the verb is singular. Now, one of the boys. So, your subject is one of the boys, but one means it is singular. But here it is a plural noun, means from the boys only we have to select one. So, we have to follow this and we have to write the singular form of the verb. The indefinite pronouns several, few, both, many, others are always and always plural. So both were asking to be freed. So both is given here indefinite pronoun. So here were you have to take the plural form of the verb. The indefinite pronouns some, most, all, none are singular or plural according to the meaning of the sentence. Means have it means in the sentence. According to that we have to use the form of the verb. Here it is given some of the girls. The girls means it is plural. So here we have to take the plural form of the verb, that is were. Some of the ice cream. Ice cream is uncountable noun. So here we have to take is as our singular verb form. When any of the following indefinite pronouns is the subject, the verb is singular. Means whenever these pronouns are used as your subject, you have to always and always follow singular form of the verb. Example, everybody, each, no one, another, anybody, nobody, every, nothing, everything, anyone, either, neither, everyone, somebody, someone. Example, every man and woman in this hall is a member. Expressions of time, money, weight and distance are singular even if the form is plural. Even if the form is plural, you have to always and always use singular form of the verb. Example, 2 years. See children, 2 means we always consider it as plural. But 2 years, it is a expression of time. So you have to always and always use singular form of the verb, that is. 2 years is a long time to wait. When the amount of money refers to the separate units, the verb is plural. Example, 525 centavo coins were found. The following words are always plural: pants, trousers, pliers, scissors, shears, tongs. However, if the word pair is used, the verb is singular. Example, the pants are torn into two. Certain nouns, though plural in form, are singular in meaning and therefore take a singular verb. Example, mathematics. Children, generally we follow that the words which are ending with s are always plural, but it is not true. Here you see the word mathematics. Actually it is a name of a subject, but it is ending with s. It is not plural, it is singular. So here we have to take is, that is the singular verb form. Thank you.